Hello, thank you for this time. My name is Learnprogramming and my project is interactive e-learning platform for programming. This project is developed by using 4 languages which are HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP by connecting this system to database. So this project is designed to solve a problem of poor physical teaching and learning computer science lesson. In the secondary school, many learners meet with the problem of poor physical learning materials like books, and for teachers it's difficult to manage all students or to make sure that all students are accessing to those few physical learning tools. So now I developed this software so that those learners can all access online lessons. So as you see here, there is different languages you can learn by using this system. First of all, you have to make login by entering your username and password, and of course you have to be registered in database, right? For example, name here is Jerry, like this, and password is this one, like this. Then login. You see here, login successful. Now you can access to courses, right? So once we click OK, you see now you reach to the home page where you can start and access the lessons. So as you see here, there is 3 languages you can learn by using this system. For example, here you can come and click on C++ programming language. Here you can access different C++ lessons. As you see here, there is different types of lessons you can learn here. For example, introduction to C++. Once you click here, and once you click here, we get data types lesson. Also, you can learn variables, control statements, and finally you can take practical exercise to make sure that what you learned, you will get it very well, or you will understand what you are learning. So for example, let me click here. You see introduction to C++ program. C++ is extension of C program, as you see. So there is different kind of features of C++ program, syntax of C++, but when you finish to learn, you see there is here self-evaluation quiz. So this is for learners so that they can make sure that they understand what they have learned, right? So for example, once I click here, remember we learned the introduction to C++ program. For example, here the following statements are true except C++ is extension of C, C++ is not case sensitive, and C is high-level programming language. So here the following statements are true except, you see, based on what we learned here, learner can now answer the question. In the features of C++, the C++ is case sensitive, but here they said that C++ is not case sensitive. That's why this one is the answer here is not correct. So, and this program is well developed where it provides the feedback either in sound and in the sign, right, by using emojis and sound. You see, for example, here once I click here, if is the where is the good answer or right answer, you will get good notification or good sound, but if is wrong, you will get the wrong sound. For example, this is the correct one. Do you listen? For example, here now the following are the features of C++ except this is the wrong one, is it true here, because this portability is not feature of C++ program. Once I click on this, you see you get the wrong sound because this is not feature of C++. But now, for example, also you see here you get wrong emoji. Now here answer by true or false. In C++, variable a is equal to this one not. Means the correct answer is here now. This is false. So this is how our system works. For example, I can come back here and access to next about data types. You see, you can learn before and now take a quiz. So the following statements are true except data type is the same as variable. This is not correct. This is the correct answer here, as you see. But once I click on this one, it's not a correct answer. So like this. So and also I can come back at the home to access another lesson here. I can now access HTML courses as you see here, and also let me show you how you create the final quiz or summative assessment after running the C++ lesson. You can come here on practical exercise and you can now start your quiz. For example, which data type is it? Store one number in the C++ program. For example, here is integer, then click on next, but you can't select or you can't go next without select the answer here. For example, once I click here, you see you can't. The button will be moved. So this is the powerful of JavaScript. But once I click on this, you see now is stable. Now I can continue. Clicking this one, I can continue also. Select, continue. You see which the file is needed to use. This one, continue. You see there is very wonderful. Around 10 questions here to be completed, and now you see this is the final one. Let me select this one. Then after you see you are scored 3 per 10 to mean you pass it around 70%. And also here you can download your result. This is another way of providing feedback to learners so that they can be motivated and engaged in this lesson and be friendly of this system. Once I click here, you see directly the feedback are downloaded in the PDF format. And once I open this one, you see now I can get a feedback which that type here. Your answer is integer and also it's a correct. It shows you the correct answer and what you answered. How you create here, your answer is this one, but correct answer is this one, to mean you failed. Also for those questions, around 10 questions, you can get feedback for each so that you can revise them. So as you see, this is very important. It's very important system that can be help teacher and learners to learn and achieve their objectives. So generally is how this system works. You can access to different courses using this system and get real feedback for those you are working. So thank you, take care.